Hey guys, Mark Paris, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach, CEO and founder, alongside of my beautiful wife and business partner, Mrs. Lavita Pires, of the most incredible, simplistic tax educational platform called the Academy of Financial Education, where we teach the masses what the school system has been forbidden to teach, and that is, the more you know, the less you legally, ethically owe in taxes. Guys, we believe that everyone should pay every dime that they owe in taxes. Just don't leave a tip. And with that being said, I want to share with you a very impromptu presentation of the results of one of my tax clients that simply blew him away, and I know that you will get value from it. And so guys, let's jump into this information. So before I do, let me go ahead and give a disclaimer. The information in this presentation is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial personal tax advice or a substitute for obtaining such advice, or for the purpose of encouraging avoidance of U.S. federal and state local tax payments. There are no shortcuts or loopholes to maximizing keeping as much of your hard-earned income as legally possible, but getting tax educated is a must. We believe that everyone should pay every dime that they owe in federal and state income taxes. Just don't leave a tip. And so I wanted to take this quick moment and share with you a tax teaching moment. Business deductions won't help you create wealth. However, business deductions will help you keep your wealth. What you'll discover is, without having a home-based business, you're literally, guys, throwing your money into a fire pit called taxation. And I want to help you guys prevent that. So here's the result of my tax client without any business income or deductions. This information is based on simply his W-2 wage income and some investment income as well. He was getting a refund of $845 and he owed the state $346. Now here's the results after putting in $10,919 of business income. You can see that his federal taxes now due has increased to a negative number of $1,744 because of adding that income, and his state now is $865 to the negative. Okay, now let's take a look at his results after entering his business deductions. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do not understand the power behind having a home-based business, you are literally committing financial suicide. And so this gentleman went from a negative $1,700 on the federal side to a positive $4,123. That's over a 350% increase. His state went from over $800 in negative to a positive $1,587. Again, guys, well over 250 to 300% increase. And some of you are asking this question: how did he do it? And what type of risk is he in? Well, you can see right here that it says, good news, there is nothing to worry about. Your audit risk is low, which means you're in good shape. And so again, I know what you're thinking. How did he do this, right? How exactly did he make that happen? And it's called tax deduction. See, tax deductions are those things that are rewarded to entrepreneurs and small business owners, those of you that are in direct sales and network marketing, or maybe you just have a side hustle that the school system has been forbidden to teach. I call this the roadmap of the plantation of taxation, legally, ethically, and morally. And so now that you know what you know, here's my question: what are you going to do about it? If you don't have a home-based business, I'm encouraging you to get a home-based business today. And if you don't know how to get started, you can definitely reach out to us, guys. I'm not encouraging you to avoid paying federal and state taxes. I'm encouraging you to do what the IRS and the government says that you have the right to do, and that is to reduce your taxes to their legal minimum. And that legal minimum could be zero. Are you ready to start living a tax-free lifestyle? Between taxes, debt, and inflation, many Americans today are finding it very hard just to put food on the table. Here's my question to you. How much of your hard-earned income got left inside of the federal and state tax box because you didn't know what you didn't know? And so if you want to learn more, guys, go to my website, learn about the Academy of Financial Education, Tax Mastery Academy, where I have taken all of the information that my tax client used to reduce the amount of money he was going to lose. Are you ready? Well, if you're ready, I want you to go to www.taxmasteryacademy.com. Again, www.taxmasteryacademy.com. I want you to scroll to the bottom of the page, and I want you to subscribe to my channel. We're going to reach out. We're going to send you an email. We're going to ask you some questions, and we're going to figure out how to position you to live a tax-free lifestyle. You guys ready? You and your family are about to experience financial freedom for the first time. Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach, CEO and founder, alongside of my beautiful wife and business partner, Mrs. Levita Pyers, of the amazing Academy of Financial Education, where we have the pleasure in teaching you what the school system has somehow been forbidden to teach, and that is, the more you know, the less you legally, ethically owe in taxes.